Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO device. For example, I have POCO M4, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using household items. So firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And firstly, you just need to remove your case if you have. Then insert one of the part of the toothbrushes in the charging port and just take the cord out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!